In this video, I'll make a timer switch with Arduino. For this video, I'm not using any type of RTC module. Instead, I'm using my old smartphone. So let's see the working of my project first. So guys, here is my phone. Then I will go to my clock application. Then after that I will go to the alarm section, then go to its settings and silence and its snooze time to 1 minute. Then I will add a new alarm. Current time is 1:48, so I will add 1:50 p.m. alarm, so alarm will ring at 1:50. Then I will add another alarm which is 1:52, so this alarm will ring at 1:50 and 1:52. Now keep your eye on that time. Current time is 1:48, so the alarm will ring at 1:50 and the second alarm will ring at 1:52. So at 1:50 the bulb will glow, and for between the time of the second alarm the bulb will still glow, but in 1:52 the bulb will off. So uh, just to watch the time. So here you can see when the time is 1:50 p.m. the bulb glows. So the bulb glows, so bulb will off when the time will be 1:52, as we have set our alarm at 1:52. So here you can see now it's 1:51 and the alarm is off now. So now is the time of the second alarm, that is 1:52. At that time the bulb will off. So wait and keep your eye on the smartphone clock. So here the another command alarm come, and here the bulb off. So this is all about my project. So let's see how I made this project from programming to its circuit connection. Let's start. For this project I'm using this Arduino Uno 4-channel relay module smartphone. So here we have to open the phone. After opening it, you will find a vibrator is connected to your phone, so we have to solder out the wires from that side only. So here I am soldering the ground of the vibrator and the VCC of the vibrator. Now I will reassemble this smartphone. Hey, hello guys, here's the programming part. So here in the program I had made some variables: count, data, phone, relay and LED. This phone will store the digital pin number 8, in which the wire is coming from the vibrator of my phone is connected, and this relay is connected to pin number 7, and this LED is connected to pin number 6. And then after that, here in the void script I started the serial communication with the serial.begin command. 9600 is the baud rate. And then pin mode, phone input. So here input, as I want to read the digital signals coming from the vibrator, so I had taken it as input. Then after that, relay output and LED as output. Then after in the word loop, I had made a variable that is data, which will store the integer values of the digital data written from that vibrator compartment. So it will read 1 or 0, 1 for high signal and 0 for low signal. So if it will read high signal, that means once, then it will go to this control statement that it will assign count to count plus 1. So initially count was 0. Here you can see initially count was 0, but now count is 1. So that's on, and I want to print this in my serial monitor, so that's why serial.println and count. So it will display in my serial monitor the value of count. Then here is control statements of switch keys I have used. So if the data stored in the count is 1, then it will hide the relay pin and the LED pin, and then break statement is used to take out of this control statement. Then after that, here case 2, if the data which are stored in this count variable is 2, then it will off or send low signal to the relay and the LED pin. Then case 3, it will also send the low signal to these 2 pins. Then assign count equals to count equals to 0. So if the value in the count is 3, then it will assign to 0. Then in the default, same as case 3, I have written that is it will send the low signal to the relay pin and the LED pin and assign count to 0. Then after that, here a delay is used, which is 60,000 milliseconds. So why here is 60,000 milliseconds? So here it is 1 minute is equal to 60,000 milliseconds. So that's why it will wait for 1 minute to get the another data. If